Hi, Laura here with another video in the Inviting Life series, and today I'm answering an email from someone called Jay, who wrote to say he's from a very non-affluent area, loves to entertain casually, and wants to make things a little more spiffy. So how? First of all, people tend to put formal and casual at opposite ends of a spectrum, and it doesn't really work like that. Casual is a spectrum, and formality is a rare exception. Usually it doesn't happen at home. So what you don't want to do is let casual drop off into sloppy, because sloppy makes nobody feel good. And when we entertain, it's all about lifting people up. So one way to make things nicer is to look at yourself in the mirror before anyone arrives, because you're the first thing they're going to see. You're the first impression. You want to look nice. You want to look like you cared about what their eyes were going to feast on. The second thing is, even if your house is a mess, dim the lights and pay attention to the table. Even if your table is a board on milk crates, put a cloth on it, throw on some candles. Pay attention to the ambience there, because once people are around the table, they're not going to notice the rest. They're going to notice the people, they're going to notice the food, they're going to notice the feeling. You want it to be comfortable and you want it to feel good. And the third thing is to pay attention to how you present food. I mean, an example of that is if you've ordered takeout, don't serve it in the boxes. Instead of buying a whole bunch of new china, go buy some nice platters so that you can always just lay food out in an enticing way. The operative word is care. People can sense that. So put some care into your casual, and that is something that no formality can beat. If you have some ideas for Jay, please add them to the comments, and do subscribe. I'll see you next time.